everyone, and welcome to another Charts of the Day video. My name is Eric. Today is the 23rd of February around 10:31 p.m. Eastern Times, and today we're gonna take a look at the S&P. But before we go in there, we would like to let you guys know that every day in Elliott Wave Forecast we do present what we call Charts of the Day. You just have to click on the site and then click on Charts of the Day, and then you will be able there to see an instrument that we present. Yesterday was NASDAQ. We're gonna present the 1 hour charts. We do an Elliott Wave explanation on it, and then if you click on it, you also gonna be able to see the recording of a video. So we do that on daily basis in Elliott Wave Forecast. So create a habit though every day to visit the site. It is free. It's presented free for the followers around the world. Today we're gonna take a look at the S&P 500. A lot of movement lately around the market. Before we go there, I want to explain what in Elliott Wave is called a WXY, right? Technically, 3 weeks pullback is labeled as a W. It's an ABC, very popular in Elliott Wave. ABC, 2 sets of 5 waves makes a W. Then any trade in the middle, and then the market does another 3 weeks pullback to complete another leg similar to W and Y, that it comes also with a set of 5 waves of an ABC. So you have a zigzag, another zigzag with a connector in the middle, which is X, and any type of 3 weeks pullback. That's the nature of the market. That's how the market works. We believe that the S&P at this moment is ending what is called right here the first 5 weeks, send this peak, right? And then this peak is what is in the real market today in the S&P, the February peak, and now we should be ending 5 waves from that peak. This is our 1 hour charts of the S&P. Like I say, this is X, and then you have 1, 2, 3 that we call it 3, 4, 5 that makes 1 blue, 2 blue, and then 5 waves down here, 3 blue, 4 blue, and 5 waves. We're starting to see in the S&P a momentum divergence there, right? We see momentum divergence there. Consequently with that, we believe that there is a chance that, like explained earlier, that we're finishing right here A, and that soon we're gonna get a bounce. I mean, doesn't have to be, technically don't take the charge. We don't know the low yet, but it can be a bounce to break the cycle. It's what we call a connector. If we get back to the chart right here, we should get a bounce like this, right? Before another leg lower, it will take place. So it looks good as a 5-way move. It might get a bounce within the next few sessions, I guess, a release bounce possible, if it's gonna take the path of the WXY. It is possible, no deniable, looking at the path of the S&P right here and looking at it right here, how strong and fast this leg happened. Personally, I don't like this first leg from the peak in the S&P as a 5-way move, because you don't see any sizable correction here in the middle. That's why I like the path of a WXY as reflected there better, but it would be, it's a possibility. Market is market, by the way, and nothing is impossible, that the S&P it trade lower all the way to 39.95, even no discount around 3,700 within the next session, if it doesn't bounce from this highlighted area between 42.24, 41.37. Below 41.37, the S&P goes straight to 39, 37, even 36 area. That's the S&P. Most significant point here is that it has what is called a bearish sequence, and that the sellers are in full control. and that it should be bouncing if it take the WXY. We don't recommend buying. As you can see in our chart, say that the right side is in red and it's lower. That's significant. You see what our members get. We prefer to trade only in the direction of the green or red right side. That means no buying here. We don't recommend buying it. We would like to wait lower, but if it goes in the WXY, expecting a bounce very soon within the next few sessions. Otherwise, if it goes with a straight ABC lower, it will get small bounces like this, but then it will continue lower, right? That's our view of the S&P. If you like it, we invite you guys to take the 14-day trials, and you're going to see, most likely, if the decline gets very fast, you're going to see when we're going to tell the members to buy the indices all over again. That's all for today. Enjoy the video, join the trial, and see our work. Have a good night, everyone.